Hello everyone, I'm Leah from Master Fireworks. Today I want to introduce two types of spinner fireworks to you. The first one is a ground spinner fireworks called Flower of Beauty. You can see that the shape of this product is an azalea, and the bottom is a gyroscope structure which can rotate better when it's ignited. 60 pieces in the carton of this product. Now let's check it. The second product is an area spinner fireworks called Dragonfly. It imitates the action of a dragonfly touching the water. It effortlessly rotates into the air and lands and then takes off again. The appearance of this product is also very similar to a dragonfly and suitable for both adults and children. 48 pieces in the carton. Okay, let's check it.